Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. This is Prema here and welcome to my channel SciMa Academy. If you have not seen my previous videos, please go and watch my previous videos. I'm doing CBSE grade 9 triangles chapter, and if you like my videos, if you like the questions which I solve, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel. So I have done exam ready questions, that is MCQ questions, 1 markers. I have done 2 marker questions also, and in this video I'll be giving you some idea about how the 3 marker questions can be there in the exams, and this will help you in preparing for your exams with selected questions. Okay, you can practice these questions and you will get an idea what kind of questions can be asked for 3 markers. All right, so let's get started with the questions. So let's see question number 4 now. This also can be asked for 3 marks. Okay. So this is the question. So here they have given you PQRS is a square. So here PQRS is a square. So in square all the sides are equal, right? And SRT is an equilateral triangle. Even equilateral triangle also we know all the sides are equal. Okay, so this is what is given to us. That means what? If you see all the sides of the equilateral triangle and the sides of square are all equal to each other. So you have to prove PT. This is PT equal to TQ, you have to prove, and angle TQR you have to show. TQR, where is TQR? Here. You have to show this angle to be 15 degrees. Okay, so how do we solve this? So since I told you now all the sides of equilateral triangle equal, sides of square also equal. Okay, so here what we will write, this is solution 4. We will write what is given. So triangle triangle TSR is equilateral triangle. Therefore we can say TS is equal to SR is equal to TR. Also PQRS is a square. Therefore we can say SP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to SR. Okay, all the sides are equal. So what we can say is, therefore all the sides are equal. TS is equal to TR is equal to SR, right? Because SR is common here, and here also is equal to SP is equal to PQ is equal to RQ. So if you see all the sides are equal to each other. Okay, now why I gave you this, we will try to understand now. So now we have to go for congruency. Now to prove PT is equal to TQ, we have to go for congruency between this triangle and this triangle, that is TSP and TRQ. Congruency we have to go. So here what we need to prove, first we'll write quickly. We need to prove PT is equal to QT, and we have to show TQR to be 15 degrees. Okay, so here we will go with the proof of the first one first. So here we will take the triangle. So in triangle, so here before doing anything, so in triangle what we can do is, in triangle TSP, so here see ST is equal to SP. Already we have given here, see ST is equal to SP, right? It is already proved, or we have already given it before. So if ST is equal to SP, therefore what we can say, this angle, these are the angles opposite to equal side, right? It is, so if you see the triangle is something like this. So if we have this STP, so if these 2 sides are equal, then the angle opposite to them are also equal. So let's make this angle 1, make this angle 2, here also we'll make this angle 3 and angle 4. So I can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, therefore we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, so here this is the first thing we got. So now how can we find? Now in triangle TSP, we will take sum of the angles of the triangle. That is, this is angle TSP. Sum of the angles of the triangle will be 180 degree. So angle 1, since angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, you can write it as angle 1 plus angle 1, and angle TSP we don't know. Okay, so here you can write 2 angle 1 plus angle TSP is equal to 180 degree. Now TSP we know, okay, we know this TSP. How? Now see, what is this? TSR is a equilateral triangle, right? So this angle is 60 degrees, because in all the angles of equilateral triangle, here also 60 and this whole angle also 60, and this is square, this is the angle of square, so this is 90 degree, right? Here all angles of square are also 90 degrees. So here 90 plus 60 is angle TSP, right? So here we will write, this is twice of angle 1 plus TSP we will write as 150 degrees. Okay, so twice of angle 1, we will take 150 to this side, subtract from 180, we get 30 degrees, right? So here angle 1 will be equal to 30 by 2, that is 15 degrees. Okay, see, if you see here angle 1 is 15 here, here angle 2 also will be 15. Same thing we can do on the other triangle also, that is TRQ. So here angle 3 also will be 15, angle 4 also will be 15. Okay, so here angle, similarly in triangle if you see, so in triangle TRQ, in triangle TRQ, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 also will be 15 degree. So what was angle 3 actually? What they asked us was angle T was TQR, angle TQR, right? They asked us to show angle TQR is equal to 15. So angle TQR is equal to 15 degree. Okay, this is basically the second part of the question I have solved first, because this we have to find the angle. So first you can do the second part also, you can solve you can find the angle, then we can go for the congruency. Okay, so now this, let me write it as, this is the second part we have solved first. Okay, now coming to the first part, that is PT is equal to PQ. So now we can make use of, now what we found this angle, we can make use of the second part which we got, we solved this, we can make use of it in the congruency part. So here we will take triangle, TSP and triangle TRQ. Okay, so here if you see the triangle here, what is given? TS is equal to TR. Okay, so this side is equal to this side of this triangle, ST of triangle STP and TR of triangle TRQ are equal. This is given. Also you can see here SP is equal to PRQ, SP is equal to RQ. This is also given. So these were the sides of equilateral triangle and these were the sides of square. And also what we found out, see, we found out 60 plus 90, 150. Here also 60 plus 90 will be this whole part will be 150. Even here also this whole part will be 150, right? So here angle TSP is equal to angle TRQ, both are 150 degrees. Okay, so here we can say therefore triangle TSP is congruent to triangle TRQ. Okay, which rule? By which rule? SAS. Okay, so this is SAS rule. Okay, so once the congruency is proved between the two triangles, we can say therefore PT is equal to TQ by CP CT. Okay, so this we can easily say PT is equal to TQ by CP CT. Okay, this is also, children, it's a very good question, very interesting question to solve in triangles. This can be again asked for 3 marks or 4 marks. Coming to the fifth question in the 3-mark questions. So here they have given you some figure. Here they have told that AC is equal to AE and AB is equal to AD. Okay, this is the information they have given you, and also they have given you angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Okay, so here you have to show BC is equal to DE, you have to show. Okay, so again we will write what is given. So what is given? AC is equal to AE, AB equals to AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Okay, so what you need to prove? We need to prove BC is equal to DF. Okay, we need to prove BC is equal to DE, sorry. We need to prove BC is equal to DE. Okay, so here one thing you have to see, that we have to prove BC is equal to DE. Now BC is this side, right, and DE is this side, right. Now BC belongs to which triangle? If you see ABC, and DE belongs to triangle ADE, right. That means we need the congruency between ABC. So we need the congruency between triangle ABC and triangle ADE, right. We need the congruency between these two triangles. So here what we see, that in triangle ABC, this angle is missing. Similarly, if you see the triangle ADE also, this angle is missing. This whole part if you see is missing, right. So first what we do is, since what they have given us, since angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Okay, so this part you can see here, BAD is equal to EAC they have given you. So we are adding the common angle, that is angle DAC on both the sides. Okay, so we are adding this angle DAC on both the sides. So if I add BAD, I will add DAC here to BAD, and to angle EAC also I will add angle DAC. Okay, so if I add here, what do I get? If I add BAD plus DAC, the whole angle I get, right. So I get angle BAC is equal to, here also this angle, if I add to this, I will get the whole angle DAE, right, angle DAE. Okay, so I get this as one part. Okay, this whole angle BAC equal to DAE. Okay, now we can go for congruency. So now you can take the triangle ABC and triangle DAE. So here what we can write, first thing is given as AB is equal to AD, right. AB belongs to the triangle ABC, AD belongs to triangle ADE or DAE. Okay, this is given, and the angle which we already got, BAC is equal to angle DAE, we already proved, right. We already proved here, right. We already proved here. And the third thing they have given you, AC is equal to AD, right. AC is equal to AE, they have given you. So AC is equal to AE, this is also given. So I can say, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DAE by SAS rule. Okay, so this way we can prove the congruency between the two triangles. Then we can easily say BC is equal to DE. We can easily say, therefore BC is equal to DE by CPCT. Okay, so here all the questions are more or less, you have to prove the congruency, and after that only you have to go for finding out the unknown angle or the unknown sides. Okay, so hope you found this video helpful to you. It will be easy for you to understand. I hope you will practice this. So if you like my video, if you like this topics, if you like these questions, Do subscribe to my channel, that is SciMa Academy, and I'll be coming up with you presenting more videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye.